Missed on the first shot, went a little low, skimmed the board, and that was just some of the scraping from hitting the wood and angling back up and actually carving into the like buckshot going across the board shrapnel. Just to show y'all, that was the first shot right there. Now it went split up. This was right here and just basically shot on up in there, man. That's even the miss is deadly. It came down, and as it came down, it hit, like impacted right here on the wood. Wham! And caused, you know, some of the stuff that went up. So there you go. Even with the miss, the 45-70 is still deadly.